Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today the important topic is how the farmers in Telangana can earn carbon credits from paddy. The innovative technology in Telangana, 9 districts earlier 10 districts. Among the 9 districts, for the farmers' benefit, one startup company, Sow&Reap Agro, for the climate technology startup. As a climate technology startup, they developed the methodologies to cut the water consumption significantly in paddy cultivation. Why? Because paddy cultivation requires more amount of water, and also more methane emissions has been going through in the paddy field. So we need to reduce the methane emissions, that is causes greenhouse gas emissions. So methane is helpful for the greenhouse gas emissions. So the farmers in the Telangana region sowing the paddy samplings regularly in Kharif monsoon seasons. That time the environmental friendly practices are not going on because it emits the methane gas emissions effectively. So we need to reduce the methane gas emissions as a eco-friendly crop for the paddy. So we need to encourage the farmers as providing the carbon credit. On that concept, the company, private company Sow&Reap Agro came across the startup based on the climate technology startup by using less amount of water and less methane emissions. Almost additional income of 2,500 per hectare will be contributed by this startup, and for about 8,000 farmers already joined this program initially. It can go by creating the awareness, like many people creating awareness among this startup is should be encouraged, and new methods help for the farmers to increase the yields apart from general practice traditional paddy cultivation by reduction of water levels as using alternate wetting and drying method that tells the carbon credit. The carbon emissions are reduced, that develop the root system also stronger in alternate wetting and drying, so results in better intake of nutrients and water. This company almost 35,000 farmers in 9 districts of Telangana covered 1 lakh acres. ఒక లక్ష ఎకర్లను కవర్ చేశారు 35,000 ఫార్మర్స్ తోటి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫస్ట్ company to become in the country to grant carbon credits by the golden standard for paddy cultivation. This company secured 37,405 carbon credits for this project named as Varri. In Telugu, paddy is called as Varri, like that. The sustainable paddy cultivation program using the alternate wetting and drying method in collaboration with Kosher Climate. Surya Teja is the founder and CEO of Sow&Reap. He said that 12 tons of methane per year. Each hectare of the paddy generates 12 tons of methane per year over 2 cropping seasons. This high emission rate is primarily due to continuous water flooding from seed sowing to harvest, typically 120 to 140 days. Generally, we giving paddy irrigation or flooding. So that's why 12 tons of methane will be produced throughout the year, almost 120 to 140 days. To reduce that tons of methane emissions and to reduce to 12 tons of methane per year, we can reduce 6 to 7 tons per hectare, and 60% we can reduce the water consumption by using alternate wetting. This is my PhD first program, also my work on this agricultural PhD as agronomist. I also did alternative wetting and drying method, but unfortunately I, due to the guideship change, I changed the paddy into cotton. After at last I did the cotton. This program is almost related to me, my research work also. AWD, but it is been cancelled. But eventually, the project of and the CEO of Surya Teja got humongous good idea on climate change scenario. Why? Because of 12 tons of methane per year will be generating by the paddy fields. So 35,000 farmers of covering 9 districts in Telangana, that brings lot of emissions to control in future coming years also. By like this, startups should be encouraged, and the startup gives the earnings potential to the farmers also by adopting sustainable agricultural practices like reduction of water consumption levels and the reduction of emissions in this startup. Like that, blockchain powered DMRV, digital measurement. DMRV means digital measurement, reporting and verification. We have in agriculture, we need through digital instruments we can measure and report, and we need to verify through blockchain powered AI solutions. We are not only reducing the greenhouse gases emissions but also creating new stream for farmers through carbon credits. That's why farmers will encourage, they come way forward. Why? Because we are crediting money for the farmers. In terms of paddy farmers, we are giving the money because farmer get less money throughout the period of the crop. So this startup is encouraging to plan and expand the program to paddy growing areas, first in Telangana, next Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, remaining parts of Telangana also. We are aiming, means this company aiming generate over 1 million carbon credits through paddy cultivation within the next 2 years. The Surya Teja CEO has been told that alternate wetting drying method is one of the fantastic method that involves to control irrigation cycles instead of continuous flooding. Generally, paddy used to cultivate under the continuous flooding of 5 centimeters of water column. Almost 2 to 3 centimeters of water column is enough for the flooding, but eventually continuous flooding has been going through traditional practices of paddy. So we have to prove win-win situation for both the environment and the farming community, leading to higher productivity and more sustainable practice. So we need to have a new. We had a come across a new startup, that is Sow&Reap Agro, by founded by Surya Teja CEO, he combined districts of Telangana, and he reduced the 12 almost 12 carbon emissions. 12 methane emissions will be there. 12 tons methane emission, that is reduced to half, 6 tons almost. That is the one of the fantastic thing to happen. Next to almost Telangana is successful. Next he going for Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, remaining Telangana districts also. Please like, share and subscribe to agriculture tutorials.